Listening, fill in the blanks.
Let's start.
In the digital age, technology permeates every aspect of our lives. From smartphones that connect us instantly to the world to sophisticated artificial intelligence systems, innovation is relentless. The Internet revolutionized communication, commerce, and information dissemination. Social media platforms redefine how we interact, blurring boundaries between virtual and real life. Emerging technologies like blockchain promise to revolutionize finance and cybersecurity. However, concerns about privacy, data security, and technological unemployment persist. As technology evolves, society faces ethical dilemmas and questions about its impact on humanity.
Maintaining good health is essential for a fulfilling life. Proper nutrition, regular exercise, and sufficient rest are the cornerstones of wellness. Mental health awareness is growing, acknowledging the importance of emotional well-being. Meditation and mindfulness practices promote inner peace and stress reduction. Advances in medical science have led to breakthrough treatments and cures for various ailments. Preventive health care measures, such as vaccinations and screenings, are vital for disease prevention. However, access to health care remains a global challenge, with disparities in resources and quality of care.
The health of our planet is a pressing concern in the 21st century. Climate change poses unprecedented threats, from extreme weather events to rising sea levels. Efforts to mitigate climate change include transitioning to renewable energy sources and reducing carbon emissions. Conservation initiatives aim to preserve biodiversity and protect endangered species. Sustainable practices, such as recycling and reducing waste, are crucial for environmental stewardship. Awareness about environmental issues is growing, prompting individuals and businesses to adopt eco-friendly habits. Collaboration.
Education is the foundation of personal and societal development. Access to quality education empowers individuals and promotes social mobility. Traditional education models are evolving, embracing technology to enhance learning experiences. Online platforms offer flexible learning opportunities, reaching learners worldwide. Lifelong learning is encouraged to adapt to rapid technological advancements and changes in the job market. However, disparities in educational access persist, particularly in underserved communities. Addressing these disparities requires investment in infrastructure, teacher training, and equitable policies.
Travel broadens horizons and enriches experiences, offering opportunities for exploration and cultural exchange. Tourism stimulates economies, supporting local businesses and preserving cultural heritage. However, over-tourism can strain infrastructure and harm fragile ecosystems. Sustainable tourism practices promote responsible travel, minimizing negative impacts on destinations. Adventure tourism appeals to thrill seekers, offering adrenaline-fueled activities in diverse landscapes. Travel technology facilitates trip planning and enhances the travel experience, from booking accommodations to navigating unfamiliar destinations.
Relationships form the fabric of human connection, enriching our lives with love, companionship, and support. Effective communication is the cornerstone of healthy relationships, fostering understanding and trust. Digital communication tools enable instant connection across distances but can sometimes hinder meaningful interactions. Active listening and empathy are essential skills for nurturing relationships and resolving conflicts. Social dynamics shape the way we relate to others, influencing social norms and expectations. Cultivating strong relationships requires time, effort, and mutual respect.
Arts and culture reflect the essence of human creativity and expression, enriching societies with diversity and beauty. Literature, music, visual arts, and performing arts captivate audiences worldwide, transcending language and borders. Cultural heritage preservation ensures that traditions and customs are passed down through generations. Museums, galleries, and theaters serve as venues for artistic appreciation and storytelling. Creative industries drive economic growth and innovation, shaping cultural identities and fostering dialogue. Artistic expression empowers individuals to voice their experiences and perspectives.
Work is a central aspect of adult life, providing livelihoods and opportunities for personal growth. Career choices are influenced by interests, skills, and economic considerations. Flexible work arrangements, such as remote work and freelancing, offer alternatives to traditional employment models. Professional development and continuous learning are essential for career advancement and adaptation to evolving industries. Workplace culture and values play a significant role in job satisfaction and employee well-being. However, work-life balance remains a challenge in a competitive and demanding job market. Politics shapes the structures and policies that govern societies, influencing the distribution of power and resources. Democratic principles, such as representation and accountability, underpin effective governance. Political systems vary worldwide, from democracies to authoritarian regimes, each with its strengths and challenges. Civil discourse and civic engagement are essential for informed decision-making and social progress. However, polarization and partisan politics can hinder cooperation and compromise. Transparency and integrity are crucial for building public trust in institutions and ensuring the rule of law.
Like, share, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for further updates.